Welcome home, friend! This stunning like-new home just hit the market in the community of Briarwood Hills located in Forney. Built in 2022 by Impression Homes, this is a popular Cottonwood floor plan. This one-story home features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, and it has a great open layout and 1,600 square feet of living space. This floor plan features the kitchen as the heart of the home. As soon as you walk in, the large center island draws you in to enjoy cooking and entertaining. Stainless steel appliances with gas-powered range make this a chef's dream. Bonus, this kitchen comes equipped with a reverse osmosis system, making the water extra clean and healthy for your family. A spacious living room is connected as well, making sure you never miss a beat of the fun. Very nice wood-look tile flooring are located in all the living spaces. Neutral paint in the entire home make it move-in ready for you. The owner's suite is nestled in the back of the home for the convenience of privacy. Find rest in your bedroom suite with a large garden tub and walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom complete this home. Located in the highly coveted Forney ISD, this home is zoned for Crosby Elementary School, Brown Middle School, and North Forney High School. During the summer, entertain in style by the covered back patio, or relax in the community's resort-style amenity center, which is just a short walk from the house. And you'll also find a playground nearby. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.